In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create adjustable reference lines in Tableau, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser and search for Tableau. Once you've located it, click through to either log into your existing account or create a new one if you're just starting out. After you're logged in, navigate to the Workbook section. Here, you have the choice to either open an existing workbook or create a new one, depending on your preference. Now that you're inside a workbook, let's start by creating a parameter. Go to the Data pane, right-click, and select the Create Parameter option. You'll need to give your parameter a meaningful name to identify it easily later on. For example, you could call it Target Sales. Once you've named your parameter, it's time to set the data type. If your reference line is going to be a number, you might want to choose number, decimal, as your data type. After choosing the data type, you'll set the current value and allowed values for the parameter. This might be a specific range if you're working with sales figures or something similar. With the parameter in place, it's time to move on to creating a calculated field. To do this, right-click back in the Data pane and choose Create Calculated Field. Just like we did with the parameter, give this field a name that makes sense for its use. Something like Reference Line Target works well. Next, you'll write a calculation that connects this new calculated field to the parameter you created earlier. A simple way to achieve this is by typing in the field something like Target Sales. This calculation essentially links the two elements together, making the field dynamically adjustable based on the parameter value. Now, move over to the visualization where you want to place your reference line. Right-click on the axis where you're planning to add it and select Add Reference Line. In the dialog box that appears, you'll find an option for Value. Here, select the calculated field you just created, such as Reference Line Target. You'll also want to consider the scope of your reference line, which could be set at a table, pane, or cell level, depending on your analysis needs. Don't forget to configure the label and formatting to ensure it's clear and looks good on your chart. Let's make the parameter user-friendly. Right-click the parameter in the Data pane, then choose Show Parameter Control. Doing this will display the parameter control on your worksheet, allowing you and others to adjust the reference line dynamically, right there in the visualization. And there you have it. You've successfully created an adjustable reference line in Tableau. This will enable more interactive and insightful data visualizations. Thank you for following along, and happy visualizing.